Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook session for the 31st of May 2021. In today's market outlook session, as per usual, we're going to be discussing the DXY alongside the major dollar pairs. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to begin with, as per usual, the DXY. So what are we currently seeing on the DXY? Well, we've been moving beautifully bullish since the mid of last week. And at the moment, we're just consolidating, to be honest, as we can see, not that much going on. So what's really beautiful is that we did seem to see that breakout on the highest high at around 90.287. However, we saw a massive fake out on the 4 hour. Lots of rejection alongside the fake out. So yeah, at the moment, nothing much, to be honest. I'm just really waiting until we see some real movements within the market. There's nothing really much you can say about this area of consolidation. I would prefer the DXY still to move bullish in towards the highs. This could just be the correction after the initial breakout. However, what we need to see is at least 1 or 2 closes above this area of resistance. So after that, the swing high needs to get broken, and once that swing high gets broken, I expect a retest and then one more impulse back up in towards 90.7. So yeah, that's the DXY for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar. So you guys know that I was in a short from the highs around 0.77828. Took the short all the way towards the downside. My target was 0.76882. So once that target hit, I took my profits off the table. So what we're currently seeing is a logical reaction to this major area of support. So alongside a fake out on this swing low over here, we've been seeing some upside on Aussie dollar since Friday. So at the moment, Aussie dollar is really turning into a very messy pair. No clear structure at all at the moment for me personally. We could of course say that we do have this form of a descending channel at the moment. However, the nature of price at the moment is not that clear. Of course, we can say, okay, we're in a downtrend. However, the overall nature of price within the overall impulse towards the downside is just really messy. So what I'm personally going to be waiting for is just a clear price pattern to start forming. So for instance, a nice ascending channel over here to then go short further towards the downside. So as I am bullish on the DXY, I am still bearish on Aussie dollar. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And yeah, still in the short of Euro dollar. Took some partials just around this level over here on the swing lows, just to be sure that we wouldn't see a fake out on the swing lows over here. Yeah, so started retracing back towards the upside. Currently break even on my positions. So let's see what happens. Quite the fake out, to be honest. However, yeah, still convinced that the DXY will move higher and that Euro dollar will therefore move lower. So same as on the DXY and as on Aussie dollar, not much to be said, to be honest. We're just going to really have to wait for further development on this Monday. All I can say for now is that I do expect further downside. How this will happen, we'll have to see and wait. So yeah, that's Euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar has been moving back in towards the highs. It's currently stalling at resistance. So we could still see one more push in towards the highs, fake out on the high, and then tank further towards the downside. So we're just really dependent on the DXY at the moment. So I'm just personally still waiting for a third trend line touch or a fake out on the high to then go short. For that, not really that interested in shorts, only until we break this major low at around 1.41. So yeah, that was pound dollar for you. Let's head over to our last pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar reacted beautifully to this area of demand. So been impulsing back towards the upside since, and currently just stalling and consolidating. Likewise on the Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, and the DXY. So currently situated at this area of obvious resistance. So what I'm going to be waiting for, to be honest, is just a break of this low for a continuation towards the downside. So at the moment we've seen an impulse, a pullback, a major impulse, a pullback, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see a next impulse back towards the ascending trend line. So just going back to the 4-hour time frame, yeah, the channel has matured, and therefore I do expect more downside on Kiwi dollar. Not looking at any buys at the moment, only until we break back above these highs over here at around 0.73052. So yep, that was all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you all in this afternoon's crypto outlook. Thanks, guys.